The Uniden Solo X2K PT Pro Kit is a one-box, 100% wire-free outdoor surveillance solution. It includes a solar panel and on-watch technology for continuous 24/7 recording, so unlike motion-only cameras, you'll never miss a moment. With pan and tilt functionality, the camera offers a wide range of motion for excellent coverage and no blind spots. The inbuilt spotlight and siren make it easy to see what's happening and deter unwanted visitors. Completely wire-free and weatherproof, placement is limitless. There are no monthly fees or compulsory subscriptions. Every kit comes with a bonus 32GB card plus 7 days of rolling cloud storage for the life of the product, keeping your footage safely backed up, just like all Uniden security cameras. Ideal for driveways, garages, backyards, and more. The Solo X2K PT Pro is powerful, flexible, and reliable. Visit uniden.com.au for details.